Today, we're talking about proper car maintenance, because many serious engine problems don't come from aggressive driving, but from neglect. A lot of owners say, "I follow what the manufacturer says," but in real life, that's not always enough. Let's go through the most important maintenance points that can save your engine and your money. Chapter 1. Engine oil, the biggest myth. One of the biggest myths in the automotive world is that engine oil can be changed every 30,000 kilometers, just because the manufacturer says so. Yes, some manuals claim 25,000 or even 30,000 kilometer oil change intervals. But that's done mainly for marketing reasons, not for engine longevity. In real conditions, short trips, cold starts traffic, high temperatures, turbocharged engines. All of these destroy oil much faster. The truth is simple. Oil should be changed every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers maximum, or once a year. Old oil loses lubrication properties, cleaning ability, heat resistance. Running degraded oil leads to increased engine wear, sludge buildup, turbo failure, timing chain problems. Fresh oil is cheaper than engine repairs. Always remember that. Chapter 2. Timing system, timing belt, timing chain. The timing system is the heart of engine synchronization. If it fails, your engine can be destroyed in seconds. Timing belt. If your car uses a timing belt, never exceed the recommended interval. Most belts should be changed between 60,000 and 120,000 kilometers, or every 5 to 6 years, even if the mileage is low. A snapped timing belt usually means bent valves, damaged pistons, a full engine rebuild. Timing chain. Many people think timing chains are lifetime. That's false. Chains wear because oil changes are too rare. Low-quality oil is used. The engine is driven hard when cold. A noisy chain is already a warning sign. Ignore it, and you risk catastrophic damage. Chapter 3. Fuel filter, the most ignored part. The fuel filter is one of the most neglected components, yet it protects injectors, high-pressure fuel pumps, the entire fuel system. A clogged fuel filter can cause loss of power, hard-starting injector failure, pump damage. Diesel engines are especially sensitive. Fuel filters should be replaced every 30,000 to 40,000 kilometers for diesel, every 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers for gasoline. Dirty fuel is more common than people think, and modern injection systems are very expensive to repair. Conclusion: maintenance is an investment. Proper maintenance is not an expense, it's an investment. Shorter oil intervals, timely timing service, and clean filters can double engine life, prevent breakdowns, save thousands in repairs. Take care of your car, and your car will take care of you.